we introduce you the most awaited smartwatch of 2020. OPPO has gifted a pro combination of technology and style. This watch is available in two variants, that is 46mm display and 41mm display. Here we have OPPO Smartwatch 46mm with us. Let's unbox this and unleash the beast. Build quality, aluminium frame and a combination of ceramic and plastic at the bottom makes it sturdy. Main button and secondary button help you to map any item that is placed on the right side of the watch. On the other side, there is speaker and inbuilt microphone in it. The straps are made up of fluoro rubber, which allows it to stretch up on any adverse situation. Also, there are two buttons right above the strap on the back side to remove the strap and replace it anytime. 4 magnetic points on the back helps to place the watch in the cradle case for charging. It's time to turn on the watch and let's see what's inside. OPPO Watch has a 1.91-inch flexible AMOLED dual curved screen which provides true color user experience. Also, there is 500 nits of brightness which helps to view screen in direct sunlight. There are 2 required apps to use the smartwatch, Wear OS and Hey Tap Health. The pairing of the watch is as easy as connecting with Bluetooth. The watch syncs up automatically. Software should always be updated, which allows you to avoid the battery drain issue. This watch comes with inbuilt Google Fit app, which helps to get a strong sense of real-time exercise tracking. In addition, it also provides 5-minute workout class series and real-time guidance in daily routine exercise modes to make it easier for you to get up and get moving. There are 2 processors inside the watch, that is Snapdragon Wear 3100 for intensive tasks and Ambic Micro Apollo 3 wireless for normal tasks. A dedicated 1GB RAM in the watch to accelerate the functions and 8GB storage, so you can also store music files and can enjoy music on the inbuilt speaker in the watch. The battery is of 430 mAh and the watch supports Whoop fast charging, which can reach up to 46% of battery life in just 15 minutes of charge. Also, there is a power saver mode which allows the watch a standby time of 21 days on a single charge. There are sensors available in the watch like heart rate sensor, geomagnetic sensor and gyroscope sensor. The watch is water resistant as well, up to 50 meters. A compact watch with GPS enabled and Bluetooth version 4.2. The concept of watch faces is really very cool. There are 13 faces already available in the Health app, but you're free to download more from Play Store.